going on, YouTube? Alright, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's Friday, just had a long week of work, bruh. Feels good to be off. I haven't rode like this whole week. Feels good to be on the bike, bro. I needed a ride, bro. I really needed a ride. Just like I said, a long freaking week of work, bro. I just seen my bike cheer me up. But I'm gonna make this my birthday ride, to be honest. My it's May 20th right now on Friday. And my birthday is May 22nd, actually. I'm gonna be turning 20, baby. So wish me a happy birthday in the comments below, baby. But yeah, so I really didn't have a topic in mind or anything, but I really just wanted to get out on the road and ride. I needed to ride, bro. I needed to. But you know, we're gonna have some shenanigans. I'm not wearing a jacket, bro. It's 92 degrees out, so I got the boots and gloves and helmet. That's all I'm rocking today. But yeah, I have music in, so you know, I could be acting a fool sometimes with music. So I guess I could shift. Hey, Rowdy Broomstick, I'm shouting you out right now, baby. Because the last video I freaking put out, I didn't realize I could just shift up with my quick shifter. Because my dumb ass, bro, I didn't realize that's what the quick shifter does. It cuts the power out. That's so you don't have to use the clutch. So now when I'm doing wheelies, bro, I just click that shit up. No clutch, no letting off the throttle, nothing, baby. So thank you for that. I needed that. That was actually the first time I really shifted and rode it. That's dope. Appreciate that. Like I said, the wheels are just gonna be getting a lot better now. So damn, that's dope. I've never really done that before. That was like my first time shifting in a wheelie. Yeah, but we're just sending out good vibes today, baby. Hey, watching the video, if you had a shitty day or something. See ya. Yo, this heat be giving me crazy pumps though, for sure. I'll go right here. I'm parched, yo. Bruh, oh my god, bruh. I'm not even... Look at this fucking gas, bro. This gas is ridiculous, bro. Almost $5 for premium, bro. That's crazy, bro. Chill, you know who to thank for that, bro? You know who to thank for that? You know who to thank for that? Alright, we got gas, we straight. Let's get the fuck out of here, bro. I'm trying to ride. I need a ride. Here we go. Needed that shit. Needed that shit. Yeah. Yes. You see them vibing out. I see, yes sir. Holy shit, it's hot, bro. But like, I be getting tan as hell, bro, for sure. Like, I don't even want to go anywhere else but the highway because I don't want to be stopping at lights and shit, bro. Oh my god, sorry. I'm getting crazy, yo. Alright, let's get off. I don't want to be on the highway that long. Oh my god. She's popping a lot. I haven't rode her in a minute, bruh. Let's go, boy. I can't believe I can shift in a wheelie now. That's so hard. I'm gonna keep practicing that shit. I can't believe I was really trying to let off the freaking throttle. Freaking man. Like, oh, nice C8. C8's pretty hard, bro. I guess we're getting back on the highway, bro. Might just put music over this and you guys can enjoy. I really needed to get on the bike and just clear my mind, bro, for real. Should we go downtown, bro? Just look for some birds? So I still need someone to sit on the back seat. Come on, what the fuck, bro? You almost need to go on the highway when it's this hot, bro. It's just like the heat, bro. I cannot be sitting in traffic. You wanna play, bro? No, he don't wanna play. Looks like a pussy. Maybe a little stressed out, but I just need a ride, bro. Why did I even come down? Bro, I always say I'm gonna go downtown, and then I always contemplate, like, why am I even going downtown, you know? Like, cause it's just so busy. Look at that shit. I'll slide right in there. You see that bitch's face? Bro, I hate when people get so mad. They get mad for no reason, bro. Like, why? Why are you mad, bro? Why are you mad? My turn signal's still on. Look like a fucking noob and shit, bro. Like, fuck. I'm not. Ooh. Is that a Rari? And damn, that Rari's hard, bro. Let's go race him on the highway real quick. Damn, there's hella fucking baddies, bro. Woo-hoo-hoo. No. Damn, it's beautiful down here though, bro. Definition of a baby. Woo. Yeah. See if you can get him to rev. Come on, pussy, rev it. That's hard as. I don't even know what fucking Rari that is, bruh. That thing's hard though, bruh. That's all I know. And I'm about to race his ass. I'm gonna probably lose. God damn, they're hot as. Whew, full of 10s. That's so. That thing gets hella looks, bro. I'm just behind it watching people's faces. It's hard. Where's he going, bro? Damn, he's gone. That sucks. guys. And if you're watching, thank you for all the support so far, guys. Shit, if you even made it this far, appreciate all the support, bro. Thank you. Thanks for staying. I appreciate it. We're at the 10K though, and we're at like, right now we're at like almost 7. Shit, that's fucking crazy to me though. So yeah, thank you. Because I originally, like I said, I originally wanted to get to 10K at the end of the year. And now we're gonna get there in like half the year, so.